I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace starter on 2013 Ford Explorer. First, disconnect the battery negative cable and set the key to off. Next, raise and support the vehicle on jack stands at the correct lift points so you can work safely underneath. Keep a clean workspace and lay out tools like sockets, ratchet, and extension so you can remove wiring and bolts efficiently. Now we remove the old starter by first identifying its location next to the transmission bell housing. Unplug the battery cable and the small solenoid lead while labeling each connection, then unbolt the 3 mounting bolts that secure the starter. Support the starter as you remove the final bolt because it can be heavy and awkward. Inspect the mounting surface and shims for wear or debris before starting the installation process. To install the new starter, position it carefully and replace any shims in the same orientation as removed. Start each mounting bolt by hand to ensure proper thread engagement, then tighten them evenly to specified torque values so the starter seats correctly. Reconnect the solenoid lead and the main battery cable, reconnect the battery, lower the vehicle, and perform a test start to confirm proper operation and that no warning lights appear on the dash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.